A very good morning to all the teachers present, all the judges, and Raul sir and Nikhil sir. Thank you for this opportunity given to us to present our game and activity that we have prepared for our small children to make their learning more fun. So today we are going to show I'm Amrita. I'm from OISS Jaipur Road, and I'm a numeracy teacher for K2. And my partner, she is ma'am.
Hello
Please.
everyone, I'm Sangeeta from Sarjapur branch. I am a university and today we are going to present the game Amrita ma'am.
Yeah. So now we are going to share my screen and I want to show. So the name of our game is Addition Game. So we are going to play this game when we are going to introduce addition in K1 or in K2. So at that time we are going to present this game to our children. So the main objective of this game that children will learn to solve the sums in a fun way. And mainly we are doing this game for K1 and K2 classes for 4 or 5 years. For this game, we need a tree cutout, fruits cutouts, and dice and number strip. This will be the model. So first I will explain how the game will work. After that, we are going to show a demo how this game will work, ma'am. How to execute the game. First, teacher will assign the groups as we are making the sitting arrangement in pre-primary. Like in one table, 6 students can sit maximum for this game particularly. Actually, normally we make them sit like 4 also because we need 2 players in each team. So the first player will roll the dice, then the number they get, that many fruits cut out, they have to collect and arrange it on the tree. Then the second player will roll the dice again and the same process he or she will follow. Then the fruits, all those are on the tree, they have to count the fruits together. In this way, they will get the result of the addition. Like first number they will write on the tree. When the demo will be explained, ma'am, you all can understand how we will going to play the game. The first number will be kept and the second number will also be kept. At the end, they will get the result by counting the fruits together. This is the introduction of addition game, ma'am. This game will make addition more attractive and interesting for this age group. And as all these materials are reusable, we can use every year while introducing the addition in the classrooms. At a time, 2 students can play. As we have 4 tables or 5 tables in a classroom, so 2 teachers will have to conduct in each table. And the children, each table will get a chance to play this game. And at the end, if the student fails to solve the sum, the next pair will get the chance. The pair which solves the maximum number of sums will be declared as winner. I can understand that all children may solve the sum easily. So we are going to keep a timer or something. So we will see who are going to solve the sum in a lesser time. They will be declared as the winner. So the rules are teacher is going to give the dice to the children. Students have to wait for this turn. The pair which will solve the maximum number of sums and in a lesser time will be declared as a winner. So this is our game, ma'am. So I request now Sangeeta ma'am to show us a demo.
Yes sir. Myself Sangeeta here. So now I am going to give a live demo to you all. Just Amrita ma'am, is it visible clearly?
Yes, it is visible, ma'am.
So
please go ahead.
2 dice, some fruit cutouts I have prepared in 2 different colors. So 2 different player can play with that. And this is a tree cutout, number strip, and the sign card from the numeracy I have taken. So Teacher will provide the dice to the student. First player will roll the dice. Whatever number he will get, so he'll kept it in the first place. And he has to collect that many fruits only. This is the number 5. So the child has to collect 5 fruits from one basket. And they need to place it into the. Now, the second child will get the chance, and the number, he need to place the dice here and collect the fruits from the basket. So they need to find out 5 plus 2. So they will count all the fruits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have to arrange. This is the way they will play, and they will enjoy the addition with the colorful fruits, and they will easily recognize the numbers, sound. They can easily do it.
So this is all about our games, and ma'am. So in this way, we are trying to make our game, make our classroom more fun-filled and attractive. So because children are morely attracted to the colors and numbers, so they would like to do this again and again. Thank you, ma'am, for our time, for this opportunity. So if any questions are there,
Thank you
ma'am,
for
you
this
can.
opportunity.